Do you worry that people might laugh at your mistakes? Millions of English learners feel the same way. But today, I'll show you how to speak English without doubt or fear. Let's begin your journey to confident English speaking. Section 1. Understand your fear. It usually comes from one simple thought. What if I make a mistake? But here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. English is not about perfection. It's about connection. When you focus too much on grammar, you stop your natural flow of speech. So, instead of thinking, what if I'm wrong? Start thinking, what if I can express myself? Remember this line. Communication is more important than perfection. Section 2. Practice builds confidence. Practice comes first, and confidence follows. Speak English a little every day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see. For example, I'm making tea. The weather is nice today. I feel excited about my goals. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small. Speak simple sentences. Your brain will slowly stop being afraid. Section 3. Change how you think. Your thoughts create your confidence. If you keep saying, I can't speak English, your brain believes it. Instead, say, I'm learning. I'm improving. Every time I speak, I get better. This positive self-talk trains your mind to be brave. Before speaking, take a deep breath and smile. It sends your brain a signal. I am ready. Section 4. Don't compare yourself. Never compare your English with others. Everyone has their own learning speed. Maybe someone speaks fluently, but you understand grammar better. Maybe someone has better pronunciation, but you have better ideas. Your journey is yours. Focus on progress, not perfection. Section 5. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers. If you never make mistakes, you never grow. Think of a child learning to walk. They fall hundreds of times, but they never stop trying. Every time you make a mistake, say to yourself, Great, I just learned something new. That's how real learners think. Section 6. Use English in real life. Use English everywhere. Text your friends in English. Write notes or journals in English. Watch English shows and repeat the lines. The more you use English, the more confident you'll feel. Your fear will slowly disappear because English will feel normal to you. Fear will not disappear overnight, but each time you speak, you'll feel stronger. So today, promise yourself, I will not stay silent because of fear. I will speak. I will learn. I will grow. Because confident English starts with one brave step. And that step begins with you. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep speaking without fear.